In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Upside Down by Johson. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
All right. That's the very rhythmic sound of Upside Down by Johson. I believe it was in the Curious George movie. Jack's just a really cool dude, and I like he's made a living out of those bar chords. By the way, please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment and all that good stuff. So Upside Down, this one has, basically it's in the key of E. It's all about the right hand rhythm and the bar chords. So actually this is a really good exercise for you if you're working on your bar chords. So check it out. It goes, the intro and the verses just goes from E to F sharp minor, and it sounds like this. There's your E chord, F sharp minor.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
All right, so here's a little B section that goes after the second chorus, I believe. It goes G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then G sharp minor, quick A, B. Back to chorus. So let me show you that one more time. I'll break it down for you. The B section, or the bridge as it were, it's a G sharp minor, F sharp minor, quick A, B, and you're right back to your chorus. Now I just want to show you a couple things here, because if you're having trouble with bar chords, or if bar chords are something that you find challenging, one of the things I like to do just to kind of relax my hand when you're doing a lot of closed chords is I'll do some alternate chords along the way. So your E there is no problem, right, because you're in the first position. But when you get to that F sharp minor, that clamping down might tighten your hand up a little. So what you can do is either I'm lifting my first finger up just to get a break, or if you're comfortable with your thumb going over the top, all I'm doing is moving my index finger, moving up and down like, and it's a good voicing thing, because maybe not just for this song, but for any song you can do it. And then I also wanted to show you, I do an A. You can let your your index finger let up on that high E and B string, and just get that over here on that, keep your root note here, and these notes, but let these bottom strings, or sorry, the high strings, ring out. Same thing on the B. Kind of a nice voicing, huh? Now watch what happens when I do that in the actual movement. That's something you can take into other songs as well, or into your own compositions if you write. So take that A, those closed chords, and just open them up and keep that index finger. It's a handy little tool to have. And then, like I said, if you're comfortable with your thumb, you can do a whole. I can use it on just about any chord. So that's Upside Down, Jack Johson, and a little chordal magic, little chordal alchemy for you. And, we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.